So this is the GLS-880 from Gemini. It offers you an 8-inch subwoofer, an 8-inch bass driver, and a 1-inch tweeter, all part of this system with the flashy light package, which is, by the way, absolutely awesome. Multi color output to it. You can select all kinds of different effects to it. This just happens to be one of them to show off how many different colors it can do. It's pretty crazy. It also has bass boost to it, not just Bluetooth, but TWS, true wireless stereo. So you can connect two of these guys together. Loud is not the word to describe it. Crazy extreme bass with tons of volume is probably a better way to go. So if you're looking for a party speaker and you're thinking, I want to have something affordable, I want to have something that pounds, I want to have something that has tons of bass and lots of volume, this might be the one for you. So let's take a look at some of the features on top of the unit and cover what you can do with it, because there's an awful lot. So here's the actual view of the top of the unit. It's got one big control dial, which controls the volume and the multifunction. So the effects are going to get controlled here. So if you're looking for your echo for karaoke, that's going to go through here. If you're looking for your bass boost, your bass and treble control, that's going to go through here. Your light functionality, everything you want to do is all right here. Just hit the buttons, make the wheel choice, you're going to be all set. So regardless, if it's your input from your FM radio to your Bluetooth, or if it's your bass boost, over here we've got our next and previous modes. Our TWS, true wireless stereo, hold down the play button to activate the second speaker option. Your effects right here, again, very easy to operate. All built right in, again, bass and treble controls, all of that right in here, plus your main volume. That's how easy that is. Your phone and tablet can sit on top of here, of course, when standing up, and that's what's going on right here. Again, really nice, really easy, and it just feels good. It's got a good feel to it. Everything's solid, really well built. So in the box, you're going to also find yourself with an FM antenna, which is what you can plug in right here. Then you've got your DC input, power supply, of course, is included. You've got a mic input and a guitar input, so your choices on that. Plus, you have separate gain controls through the volume on top. If you've got to go old school analog as an input, 3.5 connection, your charge indicator, which will also help you out to know when to plug the unit in to get charged up. And yes, you can run the unit and charge at the same time. We also have a USB power backup option to it, so if you need to run something, you can. And of course, your switch. There's also a port located on the back, plus all the detail specs are right here. I really like the bass performance out of it, so that's why they've added a port, because of all that extra bass that you get out of this box. So the unit overall is pretty impressive. I mean, there's lots of things. Of course, we're looking at the light package option, we're looking at the speaker configuration, the overall sound. The box is really nice. It's basically all reinforced, a plastic bodied all the way around to give it a nice shape and a nice design. And to give it a good proper sound, it's got a full box inserted. So this is an MDF, a particle board box that's in there to give it one mass and to also give it a better bass response to it. It's just a more solid mass. It doesn't have that plasticky sound to it. That's taken away with that box. Fit and finish is really nice. The metal mesh is just tucked in there. Everything's screwed in nice and clean. You don't see any of the seams, are just really well built. For the price, I'd prefer to have two of these. And the reason why I say that is better to have true wireless stereo sound set up in a room with two of these and have that full bass performance with the good clarity of the mids and highs than to have just one speaker really crazy loud, let's say tucked into the corner, where, you know, only the people sitting next to it are going to say, it's too loud, can you turn it down? And the people on the other side go and say, what? I can't hear it, turn it up. So having two of these, you're much better off. Let me tell you about the handles. I do like it. It's got handles on the top and the bottom, makes it easy to carry. Now it's your choice. You can have it standing up, and of course you can lay it down if that's what you prefer. Laying it down just gives you a different look for the whole package. It's your choice. But again, you can have it up or laying down. I prefer to have these guys standing up because they're most likely going to be on the floor anyways. And remember, this whole time it's rechargeable. We've got this running on its own. And as power goes, it does have the ability to run up to 16 hours. But that's like a tank of gas on your car. If you push it hard, you're going to go through it pretty fast. If you take it easy, you're going to last an awful long time. So that's been the Gemini GLS-880. I hope this video helps you out in your buying decision today. Maybe I'll see you in the next one. Like I say, thanks for watching. Bye for now.